I was thinking, how about we plan a picnic this weekend?
Oh, that sounds like a fantastic idea. We could really use some fresh air and relaxation.
Great. Let's choose a nice spot. Somewhere with a beautiful view and maybe some shade.
How about that park we visited last year? It had a lovely lake and plenty of trees for shade.
Yes, that park was perfect. Plus, it's not too far from the city, so it won't take us long to get there.
Agreed. Now, let's talk about the food. What should we bring for the picnic?
I'll handle the sandwiches and some finger foods like chips and dip.
Yum. I'll take care of the drinks, some refreshing lemonade and maybe some iced tea.
Sounds like a delightful combination. Oh, and don't forget dessert. We definitely need something sweet.
How about some fruit salad? It's light and refreshing, perfect for a picnic.
Excellent idea. I'll pack some juicy watermelon, strawberries, and blueberries.
Can't wait to dig into that. Now, we should bring a picnic blanket or two for everyone to sit comfortably.
I'll bring one, and if you have an extra, that would be great. We can spread them out and make a cozy area.
Sure thing, I'll make sure to bring an extra blanket. Oh, and what about some games? We should have some fun activities.
Absolutely. I'll pack a frisbee and a football. It'll be fun to play some outdoor games.
Perfect. I'll bring a deck of cards too. We can play some card games if we feel like relaxing under the shade.
That's a fantastic idea. It'll be a picnic filled with good food, games, and great company.
I can't wait. This is going to be so much fun. Should we invite a few more friends to join us?
Definitely. The more, the merrier. Let's invite a few close friends to share the joy.
I'll send out the invites right away. Everyone will be thrilled about this picnic plan.
I can already picture it, laughing, chatting, and enjoying the outdoors. It's going to be a memorable day.
I couldn't agree more. Thanks for suggesting this idea. It's just what we needed.
My pleasure. I'm looking forward to spending a wonderful day with you and our friends.
Me too. See you at the picnic spot with lots of enthusiasm and an empty stomach.
Haha, you bet. See you then. Can't wait.